So when you're making deals happen, and if you know what you're doing, if you're in an area and you're successfully doing whatever deal strategy you're doing, just repeat it. Just keep repeating it. It lowers the odds of you not, or a deal breaking, I guess I should say. But if you're moving to a new area, that's where things get really interesting. Like if you're going to make deals happen there, our whole strategy is being able to see, again, what other investors are doing and emulate it, and be able to like dive into what, if they're doing fix and flips, what are they doing? What are the before and after photos, construction level? How long are these things taking? That's one thing we see people make a mistake and break deals a lot, is they make a prediction of what's going to happen with this property. It takes them 6-8 months to flip the thing, and in that 6-8 months, something's changed. But being able to track that information while you're involved in these properties just is another security measure for you to make sure that you're doing everything you can to make these deals happen.